When I select my bunny layer, you will see it highlighted in our composition window. Now, with the bunny layer selected in your timeline, hit R for rotation on your keyboard, and that will bring up the rotation value. The first value in the rotation is complete revolutions, and the second value are the degrees. So if I click on the second value and drag, you'll see that my bunny is rotating around its center point. And we need to fix that in order to get this animation exactly as we want it. I'm going to hit Command Z to undo that. And I need to change where my anchor point is right here, from the middle of the bunny to a little bit lower, maybe right here above this second P here. And in order to do that, we're going to use the anchor point tool. Click on that, and then click on the anchor point and drag it straight down. I'm going to put it right here above the P. Now when I click and drag on the second value for rotation, the bunny is rotating around the anchor point that we moved lower and not around its own body in the middle as it was before. So this is exactly what we want for our animation. I'm going to hit Command Z once again to reset that. And with my time indicator at the beginning of my timeline, I'm going to create my first keyframe by clicking on the little stopwatch to the left of the word rotation. That is going to create our first keyframe for our rotational value. Right now at 0 seconds, our rotational value is 0. What we want to do is move our time indicator down to 1 second. So it's going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and that's 1 second. And we're going to change this first value of rotation to 1. So I'm just going to click on it and change to 1 and hit return. And when we move our time indicator back to the beginning and hit our spacebar to play it, we'll now see the bunny rotate just like we want it. Once we're done with that, let's decrease the amount of the timeline that's going to actually export out as our MP4 video. And I'm going to pull back on this thick gray bar over here. There's a little blue handle at the end, and this is our work area bar. I'm going to pull that back all the way so that it's just around this 1 second animation. Maybe a little bit of a buffer there, but that's fine.